Supposed to be our starts and drive. I'm sitting in the driver's seat thinking, I've been scammed. This is clearly not a start and drive.
If there ever was a thing you shouldn't do, one of those things is buying a car that you've never seen in real life. The second thing is buying a car that's been crashed that you haven't seen. That leads me to where we are today.
Right now I'm sitting here thinking there's a lot of unknowns. I don't know whether the engine of the car starts. I don't know whether it's got a good engine or a bad engine. This could be a terrible decision.
I got to the auction, tried to start the car doesn't start. Supposed to be our starts and drive. I'm sitting in the driver's seat thinking, I've been scammed. This is clearly not a start and drive. Anyway, managed to get the car started, finally got it home. This is the car that we managed to pick up, so it's a 2012 Polo. The camera doesn't quite do this color justice. It's very, very nice. Previous owner put some decals on the car. That's been changed to gloss black. Hate the decals, like the black badge. They've put some wheels on it as well. These are not the original Volkswagen wheels, but I actually really like them. This car should be a quick turnaround. I don't want it to sit with me for too long. Literally, I want it repaired and out the door. One thing I need to do is drop it off at the mechanic so they can give it a proper once over, so we can make sure everything is done and dusted in terms of safety.